guys, hope y'all are doing well. I'm here to talk about the Zip Zip from Dooney and Bourke in bubblegum pink and pebble grain leather. If y'all saw my unboxing, then you already know, but if you haven't, I'll link it in the description below. So if you saw the unboxing, you already know that I stayed away from the Zip Zip because it was one of those bags that used the handles in order to attach the shoulder strap or the crossbody strap, whichever one it came with. Anyhow, to me, it's a little bit wobbly whenever that occurs. I know some women don't mind it. I'm just not one of those women. It kind of bothers me for it to be uneven. Another thing is that you can't really fill this bag up because the zipper gets wonky. So as you can see, you might actually see a little bit of wonkiness, a little bit. I had to rearrange my things in there in order for it to be a little bit more even. So I've been pleasantly surprised because I've enjoyed this carry, and I just use the top handle. I don't use the shoulder strap at all, and she is so lightweight because I don't pack her up so full that she's really not that heavy. I decided to get the Zip Zip because I fell in love with the Sydney satchel that zips all the way down to each side of the bag. So this feature right here, I love. She opens all the way to the end of the bag. Right here. Love it so very much. So she is somewhat packed. I didn't pack her to the brim because, as I mentioned, I don't want the zippers to be wonky. So I'll show you what I packed in her. And she is suitable for everyday carry. She carries a little bit more than a small crossbody. So I absolutely love her. Believe it or not, I actually stayed in this bag for 20 days. Yes. I'm about to switch out, so I wanted to film it before I actually switched out. So the first thing that I wanted to start pulling out is, of course, my beautiful Huckleberry creme leather pocket size. I got this because of this bag. My Mr. Darcy could fit, the personal size can fit in here, but I could get so much more by switching to the pocket size. And y'all might have seen the recent setup video that I did. If you haven't, I will link it in the description below. And of course, I have my little pencil case thing. I have a pen here. My lippies are in here. Then I have my little lotion because I can't put my big lotion in here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a breast cancer pen that I got a while back, and the reason why I wanted to show this pen is because there are 3 content creators that I wanted to bring up, and they highlighted the Breast Cancer Awareness Month of October in their videos, and it's DJ King, Mono's Beauty, and Says What. Their handbag collection for my favorite Dooney and Bourke, oh my goodness, amazing. So thank you very much for all the eye candy handbags that you guys bring to the table. Love it, love it, love it. So y'all just check out their channels. I put their names in the description below. Oh, and look at this. Y'all, I am a big Jane Austen fan, and of course, I have to have, guess what book? Pride and Prejudice, all about Mr. Darcy. Okay, that's enough about that. Y'all notice I have like a pink theme, even down to my coffee cup. Anyhow, I'm going to show a clip of a breast cancer walk many years ago, and if y'all can see, it's just a beautiful array of pink. Many people have been affected by breast cancer, whether it's a family member, friend. So I hope y'all get your exams done because it's so important to detect it early in order to fight it. So, okay, back to the Zip Zip. Then I have my refillable wipes. I have my iPhone 6S, my eyeglass case, my Kleenex, my eyeglass cleaner, my emergency case. And all of that fits in the main compartment, so now the main compartment is empty. Alright, so I'm going to get into the zip pocket, and she has the standard Dooney setup, the zip pocket, the slip pocket, and then on the other side the small pocket and then the bigger pocket. So in the zip pocket I kept my pill cases, my mask, my coin case, then my card case. So now the zip pocket is empty. And then in the slip pocket underneath it, I have my Tic Tacs, my floss picks, my compact mirror. And now the slip pocket underneath that is empty. And on the other side, I have my hand sanitizer and the little pocket. I think that's the only thing in there, yep. Okay, and in the bigger pocket, I have my manicure case, and then my clipper, and that's empty. So she's a pretty big bag. She does have a lot of room. I could stuff her more, but I really don't want the zippers to be wonky. She does have her key keeper, and she's got the leather lining to keep that shape. So she's a really pretty bag. I like the rolled handles. It's so comfortable. And I like that they're not stationary, that they can fold up or down. Then of course I attach my AirPods on the front for easy access. Let me just show you what I had in this bag. She is thin, unlike the Sydney satchel, so you can't really get that much in her because the Sydney satchel is thicker. But I do like the thin style because she is a little bit more dainty. So for me, I feel a little bit more ladylike when I carry her. So let me pack her back up. I know I said that I was going to switch out of her today, and I am going to do that, but I just kind of wanted to not do a switch out on camera. I just didn't feel like pulling out the other bag right now and doing that switch out. But since I've been in this bag for 20 days, I think it's about time that I move out of her. Because that is a long time. I was shocked. I think I just kept on saying, okay, well, I'm going to switch out of her, and you know, 4 days turned into 5, and then 5 days turned into a week, and then a week turned into 2 weeks, and then next thing you know it was 20 days. I was like, yeah, I really need to get out of her. But here she is again. So she does pack nicely, I think, anyway. And I guess I'm a prime example of the statement, don't knock it till you try it. And I tried the Zip Zip in such a beautiful, cute, absolutely cute color, and I have to say I absolutely 100% made the best decision to get this cutie pie because she is just so adorable. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to get into this cutie pie. So put your stuff, for your things, and then pulls back up. And there you go. And sometimes I will carry her like this, but most of the time it's like this. Ain't she cute? Okay, enough of that. She does have feet, which is great for a small bag. Some small bags don't have feet. She is 5 inches in depth. She is 9.5 inches in height. And let's see, 11.5 inches in length. And she's got the GoldTone emblem, and her hardware is all shiny GoldTone. And that's about the only hardware she has, which is probably why she's not heavy at all. I want to thank y'all for joining me in this What's in My Bag, and just an update of her carry and how I liked her. So I know some women were on the fence about getting a zip, but as far as my experience, I absolutely enjoyed carrying her. She is the easiest carry, she's lightweight, and she can fit everything that I need for a short trip. I'm really happy I got her. If you haven't subbed already, please consider subbing. I really appreciate all who's recently subbed. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I really appreciate y'all, and commenting. I know in the unboxing video I got a lot of comments, and I appreciate those. Y'all are too sweet. And we'll see what other adventures that I'll come across. But she's definitely an adventure that I don't regret one bit. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.